Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the JayLeno Garage Wash and Wax Car Shampoo. When I was in New York State, I was going through a Walmart and just happened to check their automotive section and saw this. I've never tried any of his products. And I thought, what the hell, let's do this. So we're going to test out today JayLeno's Wash and Wax Shampoo. Stick around.
Alright, so shake the bottle really well. Very important to do. So for the bucket wash, what I always like to do is put, put 2 ounces, it says 2 to 4 ounces into 5 gallons of bucket. So what I'm going to do is actually have 2.5 ounces. I'm going to put just 2 ounces of the product. So I'll just put 2 ounces. 2 ounces of product. So I'm going to put in the bucket this here. Now we're going to put 3 ounces of product into the foam cannon, which is 15 ounces of water.
Here's the final result. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the JayLeno Wash and Wax Car Shampoo. As I mentioned earlier, I never used any of his products before or any car shampoos from him. But I gotta say, actually went really foamy through the foam cannon, really great there. Great in the bucket wash as well. I would definitely recommend this one. It looks really sharp. It comes out really shiny. Hopefully the camera's doing it justice, as you can see. Well, thanks everyone for watching this video. Smash that like button, really helps his channel, and subscribe to his channel if you haven't already. Well, thanks again for watching this video. God bless. See you in the next one.